Flip the unit over and remove 2 7.5mm screws and 4 6mm screws from the bottom cover. Flip the unit back over, open it up, and gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palmrest. Slide along the edges to pop the palmrest free. Once you've popped the palmrest free, gently lay it down, peel back the tape, and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the palmrest cable from the motherboard. Remove 6 3mm screws from the motherboard. Keep in mind that one of those screws is underneath the tape, and you should also remove the bracket. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the LCD cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip, and unplug the daughterboard cable from the motherboard. Use the spudger to pop the antenna cables free from the motherboard. Peel back the tape and unplug the camera cable from the motherboard. Gently lift up and pull back, taking care not to bend or damage the motherboard ports. Now is the time to unplug the speakers from the motherboard. To replace the motherboard, first plug the speakers back into the motherboard, and then gently insert it back into place, taking care not to bend or damage the ports. Be sure to remove all cables out from underneath. Replace the brackets, and replace the 6 3mm screws. Plug the camera cable back into the motherboard. Gently push down to plug the antenna cables back into the motherboard. Don't forget to replace the bracket. Plug the daughterboard cable back into the motherboard. Plug the LCD cable back into the motherboard. Plug the Palmrest cable back into the motherboard. Plug the touchpad cable back into the motherboard. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Gently lay the Palmrest down and push down to snap back into place. Close the unit and flip it back over. And replace the two 7.5mm screws and four 6mm screws into the bottom cover.